Abusa for mama kwa baba Ghana and same TV so. Say the money name the frame Mr. President. But homo de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel. Na watch your comment section ko say dwuma de any mo in the bia. The am kasa channel na yamo na mo dia na mo fine say yembesom. Ti yesere mo. If by chance o person contribute to your studio work, it be a effort person appreciate effort in bibia number na that's here you can support being in data bundle it be a mic bibia or persebia or they contribute to your studio be as you accepted odaroma na o de baso ye ni beso ni age na kuma pam ni age no fe so sa se de meka no share video ni mo bi so nya bi na Ghana na ye chekere odaroma now Ghana fo ni bi busan nsem bi na mo pe hu mo ye fi Ewura John Dramani Mahama ho ai na mejiri se yenyina ya awe se mmere bi atwam omampanyi papa ba oman mu a ohwese Ghana mabunu nyina be ko school no manya a basic knowledge ai mmere bi du Ghana hase na each JHS bia mu wi a over 100,000 200,000 300,000 Ghanaians intimi in school no mo tena fie cause no munyi ska o mo de ko secondary school ene Nyankopon ede ahumobro eto oye president ba akubia akoma so one ne vice president bi papa ba akubi akoma so say da bi Ghana fo hia nimde ehia nyansa e wo school sem mu it is sad ya mo free senior high school me pacho mo kai ni pakropa ai he's one of the best presidents of Ghana yenya and one of the best vice presidents of Ghana yenya so far. They say omakuma pa ene odo mo ma Ghana ene nyamesure wo makuma munti omo hwe se Ghana ni mabunu bia da betime ko school at least senior high school at least free untua hwe ko bokura untua bi obenya aduane free obenya books free beya benya ni free if you do baby krampo ne sama nkura ni nyina sama omo mattresses free me pacho me benefits of that me ti hey free senior high school menya bi koi ntimedi ho adanse na awrewo mo wom say bia kenye Ewura na Addo a nka ye mu bi ke tinwurem ke ye ma afie kra se enye Ewura na Addo enye Ewura ba omi a ke ye mu bi sabi kini me bia bra boy nenam efise mu bi ye kosi ni JHS no sabi monimo a na de ebedi kra na ye den efise ejani ho enani ho yen na ye abrabo ato ye nsem ene ye won twentwede yen na ye abrabo ato ye nsem na ye won twentwede yini ni da so ba bia ni ye nda so ni Nyankopon ene Nyankopon ono ani nimde ne nyensem ofa Ewura na Addo ene Ewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia so se da bi mama nsesa mo hyebre mamo ye mu bi eti yende de bia ka sesenye na Addo na senye Ewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene Ewura na pomu a nka sebi ki yentima nku school amedu ba bia aduri na Ewura na Addo omo hyehyeye mu no na ka ma plan se ki ye secondary school no a they will create major initiatives. It's in your be bit minyeska Edako University nibi yejitum. By Ewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de no se came was a woman sad ye na se better initiatives are what want man school nka bit my de eja adwuma biaye. It is here in the history of Ghana. Ewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia mamu penso obi no recruit security services esen Ewura na Addo ne Dr. Bawumia ma benso o ma ban so 8 years mu nyina yen ka ne kore Ewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia oni Ewura na Addo danko Akuffo Addo omama mu o president bi na ofa security services esen wo mo if we say omo tena so say edin do ye de mu nyina mo ko secondary school no all right benya mu nyina na benya hoden ede ko university ni bi it is hard ene momra police soldier babia opebia de ubewura babia we na kire akomapa ene odom wo magana fo ana se maame fo na mo de moni mo pesa chinchina mo pesa mo mano ko university teacher training no okay ye ba na Ewura John Dramani Mahama esa na mo bone a obu ye nti no watwa nursing and teacher training allowances mo ene me de beba It is a moon yes can crumple and function money school. Momane free senior high school, Munya Juana Monga si canano, and Quani free senior high school 3 years no. No Munya si kakakra, namu de pushing Korano. Chile me president our bagana how yes I be aside Nanado dan Akuffo any doctor like Mamu Baumia. Na no nko enko na nche no eno se da bi ebi ankra ne beko school de on bedi so ho be yom den teacher training nursing training sa da memo allowances it student bi anya bi na nya 700 cedis a month. I stand to be corrected. We na na chese omo abadaye ene yemu ye de magana for na fofi antoata Ghana for se da bi na nado amomoni akono Yoruba me omuni yakono enso da bia de pe ohin de Nebukadnezar amomuni kakra ne ahade ene omkoto oba ne ma Yoruba John Dramani Mahama Kilenchia government Qnet aban promise and fail government. Over 1 year Yoruba John Dramani Mahama take you over as president on na pamfo nurses 40 year mfo madwuma teachers 40 year mfo madwuma allowances esi ye ntwia Koko pharmacy ate o musika so say who high sense galam say kwa na ekosoro oyenne ene atimu wo man we mu ho papa yen na Yoruba John Dramani Mahama cancel mayenti afedi o sase an won ko buy kwa do create 1 million jobs and Ghana for say hen ha nansen ye studio no yenya issues kakra with ye mic inti me call Kumase adumu ho say me kope mic ni bi ato na medu na mamu ani bu fu omo se da bi Mahama aseme na o ka kire no e bi Yoruba Mahama ohun ye say ye nkwada da bi ani abre nti omo da sema hyema no se me besin kire mo na mo nka o masem bi ma wo Yoruba John Dramani Mahama say we create 1 million jobs so no say 1 million jobs on famra fact and figures e wo henfa no create jobs no if we say obese Ghana for bo say first year sin obi chi omo tuition fee dia ma wo mo me pacha fi we de ontwiae last year for de otwiae no it is allowed say enyo mu nyina kompo de no timi twiae omo kompo otwi omo de kompo it is allowed say one twie full payment to twie half payment it me pacha so bi ye pharmacy no ko 6 years na say na ketwia no ni school fees around 9,000 Ghana cedis. Yoruba Mahama wo share ne boss oba wo betwia ni sa fees in first wo betwia ma no ene company kan won't man for fail sa promise no wo twia say 9,000 say na ultimate twia won't man twia even full 9,000 wo twia mu be 3 na twia fa ene company dey emphasize why bi why bi ye be fa na sa na fees so de no so we nkora no omo so wuntwia yo Yoruba men kai wo na omo a wo share omo boss wo betwia tuition fee among first and or school 6 years it won't motivate so onko university na obi chairman first year into 5 years na can you obey then we chase sika no oh esa say Ghana for no mu bu ofu NPP if esa intro amumu twa e de to NPP for so e kire Ghana for ntino omo ti mu di bo omo buy omo say da bi mu ye Qnet aban Yoruba Mahama enough is enough Ghana for say 1 million jobs na creating e pacho o creating him for Jubilee House na ma ye hunu because mu hunu ba bia and reflect 1 million jobs also were creating. Yes, nurses 40 feet or more papa woman. Afraid the journalists are no more year drama NDC for more come who be on foot papa. Almost there be. Yera for evidence such as we creating 1 million jobs in the bra. 1 million jobs who creating on him for sector be more. If we say if since enkwani we secondary school no bebre na tifie. Omunya adwuma anye. Omunya sika omode ko school to omutifie. 1 million jobs now so creating 1 million jobs now creating me patch emu evidence way ebia enkra 5,000 500,000 ebia ma creating nyuma momo ebia people's teacher ni ade me patch dey na waya ma omo se bra 5 evidence bra na omo twen afi with the evidence based do yera yent no ma me kan sem ne trasa ko Ghana for church ajo Ghana for ho papai wo mo yera dollar ko form so yenya aduane ye bidie Koko farmers fertilizer class omo an koto omo we oba yose bebu omo kwase aka ho Yera nti we na beka che create 1 million jobs 1 million jobs na wo kan wo create in Jubilee House and na say wo create in himfa Yera because say at house o man sisi e no adwuma ni o man ni mu nurses tifie teachers tifie doctors crampo o my omo house job we kwa yemfo omo adwuma Yera de asem na esie 2 years because you create 1 million jobs. Ghana force for evidence, bra. Yeah, try evidence for the 1 million jobs. CCA, madam was it.
Efesipa, jobs asem. Because aban be the free SHS policy aba. Eman kola na ku school. Omo mu ko school no yes no mu nyina de timi to aso. Eko tertiary, say university and I say teacher training and I say nursing training. But also ba na o ka kire say mo kra na mo nya kwan mo to aso akọ school no. Mesa aboa mo stress free school fees o sede ndie. Metua mo first year fees amamo. Omo si yo yate. Sa kwala no akọ school awie ne otifie. Onya adwuma nye. Wo so create 1 million jobs. Ewan na wonya adwuma nye ye no. Bo akota kwala wakọ secondary school awie a otifie se bi na dwuma bi ewu.
Yeah.
So wa bon said there cranoa obetime read a few things and now
say private school primary first you can't say primary
yes it's
basic
it's year kan na ke bi aban de abase o we me 1 million jobs no nkola no me free SHS so betre fie na o man tinya to so e mo 50,000 nkura ko private school international every international schools am o mo ye your friends say public teacher o say them friends say people teacher o mo di people teacher kakra ho je bi mo 50,000 ko ho so who here no to nche na bia say mo for police for adwuma te bia ma for police for 100,000 which 100,000 no e bia emu 20,000 SHS graduate. Emu ebia 20,000 omo no kuta diploma. Emu another 20,000 omo no nurse and teacher training colleges because security agencies no mu here nurses. Tini your police hospital, your military hospital ni hwan no. Enti efe kogum. Akuta these things o san Kenya breakdown. But abaka ne tra say hwan dem create 1 million jobs na nipa 300 and every the poverty line.
900 me say, I don't know if your Grace can pull that video for us. The new government statistician said that 330,000 Ghanaians have graduated from the poverty line. 330,000.
Indeed, they be a network money. Yes, they are graduate free poverty line. No,
almost a year data all the time. They talk to people, and I won't say, "Oh, be a nipano." The poverty line, no, be a $1 a day or be a $2 a day. But a buyer maybe a nipano.
I got a poverty for the also. Okay, as a man not on more Kazantina, maybe some questions. I got yes, that's what I'm not paying.
Poverty 2024. They said the statistical service Ghanaians have been so impoverished to that 1 million people have been drawn back. TMU. Now you say poverty line. 1 million Ghanaians outside
Abegu
here for no.
What is their measurement of a year for? Omo munya duani ni 3 times a day.
And now I feel we know. You drew the getting to the last quarter. Omo say abino ense say bi ni niam bi adi gugu akwam. Ama sesi a Ghana for no 1 million na na keka ho no. 330,000 a free. Tiemfa saka 650 e da so ho. What you say? Very good. 670 e da so ho. And now jinji mu no ono no be to ho. Na minim calculation on mampeni jo mama ye. Wanya ebia 500 asa be ka ho.
1 million.
Ebia
1 million jobs.
Omba be ka. So you first quarter of
yes.
Ebia is privy to an information we are not.
This information akunta
because according to statistical service. I say plagiarism or otherwise, no. If you don't quote your source, now we taking the say wow dear
yes.
Your mama service data. Maybe it is the latest data yet to be released. Because 330,000 and no free poverty line.
Might be now ya down for be no Ghana statistical service. Is it Mr. Right?
Right.
Esua from any Mr. Rai. Akutapo mo mayen. No mo nkyere say omo cry omo de measure poverty ni ede
okay.
We see Ghana for 300,000. Ye free ohim. Bi
akota ni dey say 950,000.
And free ohim. Debi. Any oboa.
Hey, Debbie, what do you
need data, but your Canadian and yes, now what is
in reality, you don't think
yes, what is our measurement of poverty? The measurement of poverty, eh, dear. Say, Obi Soria, Odidia no pa, Odidia, we had the dear numerate to your poor. And I say, Obi Didia no pa, Edidia numerate to your poor. What is the dear no more de measure? Poverty, no more cano. Zano, omeza my boys na dwa o. Hwe, obi asori no pay ne need aso nyina so ni ba bia odi ni tifa bia. Obi malaya duro kra wo na bi ntono mo.
Yentie de papa ne kan.